I had this evening where I went hiking, and I sat down with my notebook, and I got really, really clear with myself. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna say exactly what I want to experience in my life, specifically like musically, and what are like some milestones that I really, really desire. And one of the top ones was I want to play at Red Rocks, and not even, it was like 2 or 3 days later, and I'm here at Icon. I'm at the front desk, and Jessie texts me, and she goes, make sure that you're sitting down. And she was like, you know, that remix that I did, I would love to play it at Red Rocks, and I'd, you know, love for you to come sing. And I've spent so much time watching, you know, performers play at Red Rocks. Like, I've spent so much time diving into like what that whole thing would look like, that when I got there, it was like, wow, this is seriously, like, I felt like I took the image that was here, and I felt like then it was there. It was crazy. And I'm just so grateful and blown away that this has transpired.